In the silent echoes of Amina's heart, where trials and tribulations resided, a profound transformation was unfolding. Each day, as the sun kissed the horizon, the shadows of doubt and despair seemed to lengthen. Yet within the depths of her soul, a silent storm of faith and patience was brewing. One tranquil night, where the stars whispered secrets of the universe, Amina found solace in the divine verses of the Quran. O you who have believed, seek help through patience and prayer. Indeed, Allah is with the patient. Quran 2:153. The words flowed like a gentle stream, washing away the anguish that had settled in her heart. As trials lingered, the divine words became Amina's sanctuary. And we will surely test you with something of fear and hunger and a loss of wealth and lives and fruits. But give good tidings to the patient. Quran 2:155. Each verse, a beacon of light, illuminating the dark corners of her trials, revealing the gems of wisdom and growth that lay hidden within. Amina's soul, once entwined in the throes of despair, now danced to the rhythm of patience and faith. The trials, though prolonged, were no longer a source of anguish. They were divine instruments, meticulously carving and shaping her soul, transforming it into a masterpiece of faith, resilience, and unwavering trust in Allah. In the silent watches of the night, where tears met prayers, Amina found her strength in the profound truth that with every hardship, there is relief. Quran 94:26. The trials were not a sentence. They were a bridge, leading her to a faith so profound, a connection with Allah so intimate, that the echoes of her trials turned into melodies of gratitude and submission.